Good morning friends. This is your host MKS sir. Today we are going to discuss a topic of mathematics which is called as properties of triangle. Dear student, first we have to understand what is a triangle. Now you can see that we have drawn a geometrical figure which has got three sides, and all the three sides are denoted here by the length AB, second one is BC, and the last one is AC. Now in order to understand what these terms AB, BC and AC means to us, they are basically the length, the side length of a given triangle. In this properties of triangle, the important notation is that whenever we have to write the side length opposite to interior angle A, we write this as a small a. It means that instead of AB, we can write this as a small a. Whenever we have to write the side length opposite to angle B, it will be written as a small b. We are using the notation for denoting the length of the side. One is a small b, this is a small a, and the last portion it will be a small c opposite to angle C. Now the question comes in the mind of everyone, how a triangle ABC is formed. We call that a triangle ABC is formed. When we say that a triangle ABC, a triangle has got three sides, and I have denoted its side length by AB, AC and BC. When we call that a triangle ABC is formed, there are certain rules to understand that triangle is a form. The first basic rule, the length of the side is always positive. I repeat once again, we are saying that length of the side is always positive. It means that if one of the side is A, its length has to be positive, side B has also to be positive, and side C always positive. Rule number 2. Rule number 2, all of you have understood in class 9th and 10th, that triangle is formed only when length of two sides, the length of two sides sum is always greater than the third side. It means that if you want to test a nature of a triangle, which is basically a right angle, let's say that its length are 3, 4 and 5. We say that this triangle is formed only when sum of two side is always greater than third side. Let's try to check it. 3 plus 4, we know that it is always greater than 5. If you take the side 3 and 5 here, we can write this as 3 plus 5 is always greater than 4. Or we can take the side 5 and 4 also. 5 and 4 addition is always greater than 3. It means that our triangle ABC, if it satisfies the condition number 1, the condition number 1 is what? Length of the side are always positive. Condition number 2, that condition number 2 is what? The sum of two sides is always greater than third side. And the very basic concept of geometry, that is our geometry portion, a triangle will be formed only when the sum of all three interior angle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it is pi. When the sum of all the three angles of a given triangle is 180 degree or pi, we say that a triangle ABC is formed. This is all about information for triangle formation of any triangle. The nature might be right angle triangle, the nature can be equilateral triangle, the nature can be scalene triangle. We say that a triangle is formed only when these three conditions are met. This is the fundamental of the topic properties of triangle or solution of triangle. I hope all of you have understood and enjoyed this session with MKS sir. Thanks for watching my channel and my video. Thank you.